friends, welcome to Jayshree's kitchen, and I'm going to show you today healthy spinach enchilada recipe. So it's very healthy. There are no cheese, there is no salt, no sugar, so it's pretty healthy. So I have a 1 cup of spinach which I kind of put it in the chopper and chop the spinach. This is vegetable broth because I'm not using any oil. This is half an onion, medium size. This is 1 tablespoon garlic. This is paprika, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon jalapeno. It's optional if you want spicy. There is a 3/4 half a cup of cilantro, and there is a yogurt which I'm using cashew yogurt because I'm not using any sour cream in my recipe. So, and this is for garnishing for the green onion, just you need a little bit. And I'm using green chili enchilada sauce. So this is by Old Paso. And I'm using, really for salt substitute, I'm using Table Tasty by Benson, which is available in Amazon. So which flavors, so instead of salt. And really this one I bought organic no salt seasoning at Costco. So either or you can use this or this.
Can you show us those 3 bottles, or everything in the bottles in a closer way? Table Tasty, organic seasoning, no salt seasoning by Kirkland, and then Old El Paso green chili enchilada sauce, and then cashew yogurt. Good.
And this is I'm using chickpea tortillas.
And these are chickpea flour tortillas, which are much more healthier, much lower glycemic index, gluten-free, and much low calories.
So what I'm going to do first, I am going to put the onions over here. I'm going to saute without salt. And I'm going to put a little vegetable broth. So you saute approximately 3 to 4 minutes the onions. So and see, I'm boiling the enchilada sauce on one side too. So which is going to boil. So we have to wait until the sauteing is done. And I think you saute until the color changes. And really, if it's like burning on the bottom, you just put a little bit vegetable broth so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and it helps. You're going to saute almost 3 to 4 minutes until the color changes. This is really one of the healthy recipes I found, and I just kind of made it very healthy. So now I put the garlic, cumin, And you know, I really, when I kind of blended the spinach, I put the Benson table tasty petty spoon, and I put a lemon just to flavor the spinach. And I put the paprika now, and now I'm adding the spinach. I'm Now I'm going to add the Benson's table tasty. Now I'm going to just kind of put the lid and let it cook for 3-4 minutes. This is a enchilada sauce, which is green chili enchilada sauce. I put 2 cans. So we are going to wait for a minute or 2 more. Okay. So I'm waiting to get it done with this filling. This enchilada is very healthy and very nutritious, and really it is gluten free, and you should try it really. And if you want to cook with me in the future, I can put the ingredients the day before. I'm going to put a little vegetable broth. I'm putting a little bit vegetable broth. And now I'm turning up the gas and I'm putting yogurt, cashew yogurt. So I turn off the gas and I put the cashew yogurt, 1/4 of the cup. And now this mixture is ready. So this mixture is ready now, and now I'm going to make my tortillas. So I'm turning on my gas. I'm going to let this gets hot. Oh, another thing, I have to put lemon juice at last too in this recipe to enhance the flavor. So after putting the yogurt and turning off the gas, you can put a lemon 1 teaspoon. After putting the cashew yogurt, you can put the lemon. And now I'm checking if my thing is hot or not. This is too hot. I'm a little bit seasoning the tortilla too. So it is hot. My tawa is hot now. And I'm going to put a little garlic and little spice. If you like corn, you can use corn too, but I'm using chickpeas. This is what I'm using. You want to make sure it's well done. We are not using any oil. And now we're going to fill up. So we are filling it up. We are putting a little sauce inside. Filling up the second one.
Can you show the chickpea tortilla?
Huh?
Chickpea tortilla, बताओ.
Here is the chickpea tortilla.
बता.
And then you really put hot boiling sauce on the top.
Describe कर दिया. Describe करा कि spinach tortilla.
Yeah, this
So again, this was the spinach tortilla, no salt, no dairy,
chickpea tortilla.
chickpea tortilla. We use chickpea tortilla, which is much healthier than regular wheat tortilla or corn tortilla. Lot more protein, a lot more fiber, lot more, actually very low glycemic index. We did not use any dairy or cream or sour cream. We used the cashew yogurt in a very small amount. Which another which she described, and then we just avocados. I have had this spinach tortilla many times. Not only they are very tasty, spinach chickpea, not very healthy. They are very tasty. You know, they are very low filling. Very low in calories, and I think I absolutely love them. If you try them, it will take probably no more than 30 to 45 minutes to make them. You can make it for a family, you can make it for yourself. I definitely want you to try it. All the ingredients you can get it from and just enjoy. Thanks for joining. We'll be putting this thing on the YouTube also, so you can watch it again and again. We'll be posting many of these healthy recipes. Obviously, it's a challenge sometimes for many people that they like certain recipes, but they want to make it healthy. Jayshree is very good at turning any dish, any recipe into a healthy recipe. Like today, we did not use any dairy, we did not use any cream, we did not use any oil, we did not use salt. And despite of that, it comes out so tasty. So if you have any recipe which you want to turn into a tasty, healthy recipe, please comment and we will look it up and we will turn into a healthy recipe. Obviously, the goal is to eat healthy, exercise, sleep well, have a great relationship with our family, with our spouse, with our kids, with our have a very low stress, and obviously not have any substance abuse. So we try to cover 6 pillars every day. If you like this, please go ahead and comment or have questions. If you like our page and if you're enjoying it, please share with your friends. We definitely are growing. We have about 10 now. We will be also going live with Chef AJ on June 13th at 6 p.m. and just 4 great recipes. Chef AJ is one of the most prominent vegan chef in the country. She has like 90,000 followers. So please stay tuned for June 13th at 6 p.m. It will be for one full hour. Jayshree will be showing four dishes without oil, without salt, matter of fact, without much sugar, and also without much nuts. Extremely healthy, all vegan dish, which you absolutely would love it. So again, thank you. Have a great evening.